What's going on, guys? So we have a $35 stock, which is Snap. It's been given some decent moves, but I am sure that it's really just too thick. So the float on it is 1 billion. So it's going to be a thick moving stock. So probably no is the short answer on that. ALJJ. We have 12 million float, so this is a good candidate. I don't like this rejection on these candles, the high wicks on the 5-minute. I hate that. Right? That means, so what is it? Is it easy to borrow? No, it's not. Which is surprisingly. Is there a locate for that? ALJJ locate. Yeah, there's locate. It's 2.4 cents locates. So that's not well, 2 cents. It's about on par as a typical locate. So just a warning, right, that people could locate it for shorting. And when I'm saying locate, they can easily locate it. I guess that's the key, right? Because I'm pretty sure a lot of the stocks can be located. It's just just it's a discrepancy of a broker, right, to give that locate or not. And the priority obviously gets sent to people with more money, like banks and mutual funds and ETFs, hedges. So really, truly, nothing's moving. Friday is dead. I'll make Jetta. Thanks for letting me know. That should do it. Awesome. So Discord's working good. Okay. Yeah, I mute myself out of habit, I guess, because I have that button to mute me, so I don't know why I mute that. It's like a double mute. I don't know. I don't like this Friday. I'm looking at gappers. There's nothing. I mean, we have 3 stocks that are above 1 million in volume. That's insane. And one of them is a large cap stock, 1 billion float. Well, yeah, I would say it's not literally large cap, but 1 billion is a lot for us. So like ANY and ALGJJ. I'm actually familiar with Annie. I don't know if I'm up on it for the year, for the last year or not, but I think it's a difficult stock overall. Let's see if there's earnings. Let's see. So today is, they already came out. Surprise, surprise. So everything's really out today. Maybe, no, none of the names that really pop. I mean, Royal Caribbean's misses the earnings. That's fine. Everybody knew that. Yeah, so Snap, Amazon. Yeah, no Bunman today. No Bunman today or tomorrow, or Monday. I respect that. He decides to take time with his family, which is taken higher priority than trading. It used to be the opposite way. So I do respect that, and I I'm gonna do the same thing if I have that leisure to do, which I advise you all do too. Lucid, Netflix, Facebook. I didn't really like how Facebook traded yesterday. Google. Did Google do a split? Why the stock is still at 3,000? I don't get it. When does the split actually happen? What happened to Amazon? Like Amazon? Do we have earnings on Amazon or something? Like, are people gonna watch Amazon today? Marcella, the link's not working. Making cheddar. Which link did you use? Did you use the one in description? I'm gonna try to freaking find another one. Boom, boom, boom. I see. Invite links expire in 7 days. Holy guacamole! I didn't know that. Why is that? So invite links expire in 7 days. Like I'm a Discord noob right now, literally. Like how is that possible? Because I know RT's links are still active a year later. Oh, there's like a setting where it says defaults a 7 day, and then there's a never. That tells you a lot how much I know about Discord. And by the way, I'm learning all about this boosts and stuff. So apparently I increased the audio quality to 128 kilobits a second. So audio should be pretty good on Discord. And I also saw that there's a feature to share screen. I'm curious if it's going to be quicker than YouTube. So potentially we might have a little like a parallel streaming into the Discord as well. If it's going to be 3 to 4 seconds quicker, I feel like it's going to be beneficial for you guys to be on top of the stuff and see what exactly I'm looking for. All right. So apparently this link is not going to expire. And I'm going to update my description links. What a mess. Thanks Marcella for catching on that. That's good to know. Alright, so what are we watching? ANY, ALJJ, Snap. Obviously, I have Tesla, Lucid, SPY, Amazon, Facebook, Netflix on watch as well. KCP is our favorite. I have the Momo scanner on Trade Ideas. This is first time I decided to turn it on. Not first time like in a week. And Macon Chatter provided his scanner, so I'm gonna power it on right now and see how that's gonna go. All right, market open. Snap is setting up for this red to green right here. I didn't even have Snap pulled up in my watch list. So bad, guys, so bad. 75 shares, Snap, 35. Look at that pullback and rejection off of that 36 level. That's insane. But there was a quick opportunity on the 30th second. You see that 35-40 break into that 50-60. I feel like if you scalped that, you would have been okay. ALJJ. Let's keep an eye on it. It's a cheap stock. The spread is 1 cent, which is favorable. Let's see how it moves. We want to break that 20, and the highest 33. So potentially maybe 7 cents. Not a lot. The VWAP resistance right now. Let's see if it's gonna pop. We have 15 seconds. Snap is back up. KSCP is doing wonders right now, so 40 cents pop right there. KSCP. Snap is beautiful, guys. Snap is really good. ALJJ, Snap. Let's watch Snap. 37. The high is 37, so it's holding this area. I like it. But be careful, it's easily a dollar or a point move here. Missing KSCP and missing ALJJ because of Snap. That would have been okay turnaround. So 221, 222 on ALJJ. It's very choppy. It doesn't move anywhere close to. I'm in here in ALJJ. I want to see that bounce of a VWAP and puncture that 22. No, I'm out. I don't see that initial burst of volume. Snap. Wow, something pulled up on the scanner. VNDA. It's crazy. KSCP, guys, I still like KSCP. This thing has been paying. But be careful. Yesterday I noticed the volume was dropping on it. Good bull flag setups here, right? 75 shares, nothing crazy. 945 on KSCP. So the 50 break is a level here. But I don't like that volume decreasing. ALJJ is moving higher. Nice. That 33 resistance, just watch out there. That bounce of a VWAP happened, but it happened a little later. It happened about 45 seconds later. In a stronger market, it would have happened in that candle where I got in. Watch for Snap bounce here. 38.84. So Snap, 25 shares, nothing crazy. I want to fill that stock. It's a 5-cent spread. So watch for volume here on Snap. 34.82. Right now is the battle going on. I'm looking for a double bottom bounce here. I'm not looking for it to touch this level. I'm looking for volume come in, right? Just so we're clear. 34.64. See that the next the previous candle high is 82. So what's that 64.82? The burst of volume. See right there, 64. I mean, we could potentially see a pop. That's, and watch the clock too. There we go, 20 seconds. Let's see if it's gonna give us anything. I'm in here. Maybe. I'm not in. Why did it give me a rejection? It rejected my order. So Thinkorswim saying that it's OTC symbol. It's not allowing me to do market orders on oh my god, guys, you didn't tell me I misspelled Snap. What a noob. Alright, 34, 35. So watch 35. Wow. I shouldn't trade today if I misspell symbols and I don't notice that. Imagine if I misspelled a symbol like Tesla versus like ALJJ and get 250 shares of Tesla. Potential bull flag on ANY, but I'm still looking for that curl here. 3470, 3480 to break of that 35. KSCP is also curling, so keep an eye on that. ALJJs, they're buyers right there at 216, so they're supporting it, but it has to go above 220 for me to look at it. KSCP might be popping, guys, right now. $924. Let's see if there's volume coming in on KSCP. Nothing right now. I'm in here in KSCP. I saw ask move up. My average is kind of crappy. Might have to get out. There's some volume. All right. I want to see that 30 break. Look at ALJJ. Guys, trade ALJJ if you're not trading KSCP. It's a nice. I would be out at that level though on ALJJ. I'm gonna fix my PNL. I just realized my PNL might be not showing. I'm too tunnel vision right now. Anyway, I'm out of this. I don't like it. Where's my PNL? Why is it not showing my PNL? Alright, there's a PNL. What about this? This is better. 43 cents right now. 43 cents. Yeah, thanks guys. Yeah, PNL is not showing. KSCP, I'm still looking at KSCP. 5 minutes setup is at 9:30, so just watch that previous high candle was 25. So break off that 25.30. Keep an eye on it. Keep the volume. Look at the. I'm in here. I see volume. I'm in at 20. I want to continue seeing the volume. There it goes. I see volume. It's got to break that 26.30. It's got to break that 30. It's not going to break 30. It's going to look weak, guys. There it goes, 29. I want to see that burst of volume through 30. And I'm not seeing it. It's got. There you go. There you go. There's a burst of volume. Join the ask. Cancel all. There you go. So, do you see that? I joined the ask like the split second is popping. If you had an offset like on DAS, with offsets there, you could have said, hey, don't get me a really high because that's where everybody wants to get out. So the chance I gotta wait in line to get out. So give me a little bit worse price, like couple cents, right? And if the spread is 17 cents, and if you just get filled 2-3 cents lower than the top, that's okay. You know, it's better than if you market it out and got filled 17 cents lower. You basically jumping another person, right? By paying the worst price, or getting filled at the worst level. So that's pretty much the cost of you getting in quicker. And the question to you now, how beneficial for you, how many times are you going to jump another person in order for you to sacrifice some of the gains? ANY popped over VWAP. I don't know. KCP is getting weak, guys. I'm not. ALJJ. Look at this. Flat top here at 25. Watch 25 here. Maybe a 5-minute setup over 24. $30 seconds. All right, keep watching that 25. There goes 25. Let's see what it's going to do over 25. There's 24. There's still 25. There it goes. 12,000 share seller. There's a lot of buyers here. 11,000. I like this flat top here. 44. 1 minute. I'm in here. Let's see if it's gonna go before 1 minute. No. Whoa. 224, 224 out. That's a good fill. So watch that 5 minute and 30 seconds. Ask is not moving. ANY is nice. KCP crawled. Snap. I mean, I feel like today I'm just missing out on those pops. Definitely missing out on the pops. Snap curled. The volume. See, I wish that volume just continued. There you go. Just keep an eye right now on ALJJ. I'm in here. I'm in at 24. Let's see what it's going to do in 15 seconds. I'm in heavy here with 500 shares. Rejection. Snap is not looking bad. 36, 35. Just not. I can't get a good grip on that. It's extended on 5, right? It hit that 37. Still watching ALJJ. It's just not a lot of movement. Where would you get in on snap on here on bounce, right? Either here or right here at 36.76 or 36. Or 35.76, I mean, that's what I mean. I'm in here. We have a okay. That's, you see 60 and then you see 20. That's insane. You see 60 and then you see 20. I want to see volume over 22 on ALJJ. If it's a strong stock, it will definitely move. Tesla is looking good, right? JJ sold off. Sergey, you said pins. Is that a ticker, or if you use a ticker, use a caps? Watch this setup here over 905. JJ is done for now. MTech from yesterday. Let's keep an eye on it. KSCP, look at that wedge setting up. It might pop here. So something like this. You see this wedge? So just keep an eye on that, KSCP. The thing is, you know, if you're distracted by watching something else, you might miss that pop. And that was pretty much the opportunity, right, for that pop. So what am I looking at? 920. That's I'm looking for that break of VWAP here at 920. Snap is curling. MTech is not bad. I wouldn't say MTech is bad. It's just not. It's. Look at Amazon. Amazon is like has gaps in 1 minute candles. It's insane. So KSCP, you see what happened? Broke down. So watch Tesla bounce over VWAP here. So the 900 and back up. Nothing's really holding, guys. I'm watching Tesla for that pop over VWAP on very small share size, like 10 shares. 899.15, so 900 for me. Look at the clock too while you're taking that trade. $30 seconds. Watch for volume. Five minutes setup, 14 seconds, but it's on a downtrend. So the only thing we have going for us here is VWAP. Is that enough? I don't know. So snap, curling. There's a little bounce here on Tesla. Just watch that, how long it's gonna go. I'm in here in Tesla. I'm in at 98.09. Which I don't know if it's a good price or not, because it's a high spread right now. So let's watch it bounce here. Join the ask here. Out. Nope, got rejection. Didn't get join the ask. A and Y and Snap are curling. Beautiful, guys. So Snap. Snap, watch that 5 minute, which is 36.37. I'm in here. I want to see 50. Okay. A and Y, also keep an eye on it. The high here is 70 or 69. What's the double top on Snap? 36.60. So 45.50 break into the 60 and get out at 60. So watch that 45 break right now and get out at 60. Pull back. I'm in here. I'm anticipating that 45 break. Out. Still anticipating that. I'm in here. Out. It's a strong moves, right? That's why I'm kind of trying to fish for that bounce, because that 50 break looks nice. But watch out for the high wicks on 5 minutes here. Still watching Snap. ALY, I'm not sure. Look at Tesla. Tesla just made what I was hoping it would. Did you see this Tesla? That's a beautiful, right? 89. So $4 right here on Tesla. Snap is going, guys. 50. 50 break. I'm in. Out. $67 was the exit. Watch continuation here. It's a strong stock right now. Snap 39.50 is the halt, so we're nowhere near the halt. Hopefully you guys grab that Snap. Also A and Y. A lot of good setups right now. Lots of good setups. A and Y. I remember that I didn't really like that stock. 72 is the high on A and Y. I'm in here 15 seconds. I see a little volume and build up going on. I'm gonna get out if I see red. I'm in at 70. I'm out. I see red. Still watching for that break and pull back. $70. Tesla is not looking bad either. Tesla over 905. Snap is pulling back up. Tesla got sold into right there at 906. Damn, I literally missed Tesla by what, 30 seconds? Snap. Back to Snap. 36.93. Be careful at the tops though. I have to jump off. I'm gonna grab something to eat really quick. I know it's a hot market right now at 10 o'clock. I think it's as hot as we're gonna get. But I do have to jump off. Hey Clive, I didn't see your message. I'll be back in like 30 minutes or so, guys. So I didn't have a chance to turn the camera on and be on live audio. Took some FOMO trades on INDO. Took some scalps on Tesla. Tesla scalps did not really work out. $20 on Tesla today was 10 shares. I feel like that's a lot, so I lost $2 a share on Tesla. So just kind of an FYI what kind of market we're in. INDO, I was down $30 on it, and then I was up about $7, and I just gave back on that pullback about $13. So overall, just up $24 today. Nothing great, but I don't see any really follow through and moves, and it's just I'm basically spinning my wheels, you know, like I'm taking trades, I'm up, I'm down, I'm up, I'm down. It's just I guess I could continue throughout the day and just scalp a little bit at a time, couple cents here, couple cents there, but you know, I feel like my time worth a little more than that, and it's just like INDO, you know, it gives good setups and stuff, but the spread is killing. Like the bid's not moving up. You see 50 on the ask, and then spread still, the bid still stays on 36. So you have this 14-cent spread pretty much on INDO sometimes. That very unnoticeable, right? But it's there. Like the fills could screw you up, because when you get filled at 45 and the bid is still at 36, and then it doesn't move you away, the bid goes to 20, and then you're in a 45, right? And you get out like a 25, you're 20 cents down. So it's just not very favorable in terms of scalping. I feel like Tesla was given some good opportunities initially. That 9/11 break wasn't bad, but I feel like I'm over scalping it, because I did take a decent trade. I believe like a 2-point trade with 10 shares. So, I mean, being $20 on Tesla with 10 shares, that's not a lot, right? Because you can get that 2 points and then next decent move. So, for example, that move downwards on Tesla right now could give you that 2 points, right? You see this bear flag set up here? You know, this could definitely give you some moves. So you either take a put here to short it, or is it even possible to short? It's hard to borrow on TOS. So anyway, it's just for some opportunities here, they're there. It's just you have to sit and spend time looking for them. I'll probably just end it here. I'm not gonna push it. Because my highest today was 31 in green, and my lowest was, I don't remember what my lowest was, 14 or something. So that kind of sets the stage, right, of the P&L swings. You know, it's definitely nothing like some other people could trade. But at least I'm flat. I got myself out of the hole, and I'm not happy how I traded Tesla. INDO was really difficult to trade today. It's one of those things that you had to get accustomed the way it moves. Because I still had an idea from KSCP. I traded INDO same as I traded KSCP. And you know, you can't apply the same strategy, same style to a different stock. If it works for one stock, doesn't mean it's going to work for the next stock. Tesla is maybe doesn't want to break down. Maybe you want to go up, but I don't know. It's a tough call here. 5-minute setup is at 9:02. Let's see if it's going to be strong, but the 5-minute setup is only in 3 minutes. And I feel like it's weak right now. SPY is under VWAP. Netflix is also bouncing off a VWAP, and everything is around VWAP right now, so very uncertain market. Look at this, look at Tesla right now. Look at Lucid. ALJJ. Wow, Tesla is really nice right now. I'm in Tesla again. I want to see, I want to see 6. No, I don't see 6. See, like, I see the spread, but I don't get out on a good exit. It got me out 50 cents, you know, even though it was 70 cents in the green on ask. I feel like Lucid would have gave better opportunities with the higher share size. 2704, 2705. I'm in here. I want to see it pop over VWAP. 03. There it goes. I'm out. I mean, it's only 4 cents, right? It's a small move for a stock like $27. If not because of Tesla's spread, it would have been a very decent stock to trade. The potential gain is there, right, on Tesla. 905, 906 right now. Rejection on Lucid, so probably Tesla's gonna follow. Watch for Snap. Snap might go 36. Is it gonna be a pullback area here? 37. Watch. So 21 here, just keep watching. 5 minutes setup in 3 minutes. 20 seconds. Just watch if it's gonna bounce. It's bouncing here. Let's see a pullback on 20. I'm in here. I want to see, did it reject or did it actually go? 17. No, it actually rejected. So MCMJ. There might be a bounce here of a VWAP. I'm in here on Snap. I'm in at 3601. I'm out 08. Let's see if 12's gonna break. There's 12. I'm in here. I want to see it pop over 12. 15 out. There we go. Watch 15 on Snap. 24 in 2 minutes for 5 minutes setup. There's 20. 27. Nice. There's a pullback. I'm in here. Oh, I'm in at 25. No, out. Still watching. Watching 30. Bull flag on Tesla setting up. Watching 30 on Snap. $20 for 1 minute setup, and then 1 minute and 20 seconds for 5 minutes setup. Just keep an eye here. There goes 25, pullback. I'm in. I'm in at 21. Nope, not good. Actually, I'm in here again. Let's see if it's gonna go. I'm in at 18. I'm out. I'm in here. I'm in at 15, 8. Wow. There's a pullback. There's sellers for sure. I'm in here. I'm in at 09. No, never mind. Can't get a grip on this stock. So 11 right now. So bounce here, maybe in. No. Just keep giving profits. I was up 40 bucks on this stock. Gave half of it off for that bounce play. Look at everything selling off. Look at Lucid and Tesla. It was setting up for the bull flag and it didn't. Broke VWAP and it went downwards. So the strong momentum obviously passed out of here. So should have ended day at 24. Now I'm break even for the day after trading for 2 hours. Well, I didn't trade. I kind of was trading for 2 hours. Sucks. Everything pulled back as I wanted to just end it. What I was trading is this. I was trading this pullback up to test of high. And then because I was so convinced that it's gonna go, even on this pullback, I was trading the bounce of a VWAP. Because I believed in that stock that it's gonna be strong. Making cheddar, are you green today? Did you trade anything at all? Making cheddar seems to be making cheddar every day. Ski, you up $6, man? How dare you beat me? Clive, you know what you gotta do with those hands when you lose feelings in them, right? Have you seen Gone in 60 Seconds? Ask making cheddar to give you some cheddar for your cheeseburger, man. I literally was hoping that Snap would snap up, but I just gave back $20 on Snap. I feel like that should be it for the day. How's RT doing? It was favorable in ALJJ this morning, right? I feel like ALJJ might have been a decent for RT, but maybe even Snap, but I don't know. I'll rewatch his recap today, see how he did. You don't remember the scene from Gone in 60 Seconds? It's the scene when they were waiting for the dog to poop out that Mercedes remote. Damn, I'm old. This movie's old. Look at the ALJJ is trying to do that 20 again. It might pop because look at that volume on 1 minute. $12 seconds. I'm in. It better go. It better go. There's a seller at 21. There you go. Seller moved up. $2.65. Could I get a Happy Meal for $2.65? How much is a Happy Meal right now? Because that's the only thing that's gonna make me happy today is the Happy Meal. BITO is testing that 25. I wonder if we're gonna pop on BITO. Making cheddar brought up to my attention BITO. There you go, there's a pop. Only 4 cents though. 26. Look at these volume, the 65,000 volume, like out of nowhere, right? In that break of high. I feel like ALJJ also had that pop of a break of high, like all of a sudden you have this spike on volume, but it doesn't move anywhere. I can get a lick. Wait, like, are you talking about the one that on Twitch? When I do like a dono and they lick an ear or something? BITO 2504 06. Is it gonna hold 25? Wow, ALJJ guys. While I was talking about licks, I missed it. ALJJ, where's the halt? Halt is at 265. Let's watch if 30 breaks into that 35, because we have a pre-market high at 33. Let's keep an eye on this. 27. 2 seconds until 1 minute. 26 is the seller. It's holding. 25. I'm in here. I want to see it go up. It could flush. There it goes. Will we see 30? No. I'm out. Ski, I got you beat by 47 cents, man. Alright, 31. Watch 31 now. Halt moved up at 268 right now. 14,000 share seller at 29. It's heavy. There's sellers stacked up. The volume increased in 1 minute and 5 minutes. So we'll see the battles going on. See, that's all I wanted to do. I just wanted to beat Ski today by 47 cents, man. You know, that's the way to end Friday. Just, I got Ski beat by 47 cents. I'm positive, and it's Friday. I have a decent beer in the fridge, very nice beer. You know, I'm ready to end this day. This is the time where you play marbles on Twitch, guys. Marbles are addictive. One day, like by the end of the session, of the trading session or something, let's all like get on Twitch, transfer it, and we'll play marbles or something. It's because I'm bored out of my mind when the markets are like this. I shouldn't have lost money on Tesla, and I should have made a lot more money on ALJJ. And I think that's the pretty much market today. Look at that flat top setup on ALJJ. 270 is the halt. I doubt it will go to halt, but ALJJ my move, guys. Watch 31 if the volume pop, because the lower volume on the pullback. Watch that 29.31. Five minutes is at 31, so it's not a lot of room. Pullback area is at 220. Remember, in a hot market, you could have just pulled back to 220 like within the next 30 seconds after that spike up, and then you can get in. You used to trade those micro pullbacks so easily. Even Thinkorswim like those, because you could have got in, and Thinkorswim's like, oh, he's getting in on the flush, you know, we can get him, because they can get a better price on the flushes, right? That's why they give you a good price. This whole order flow selling. All right, guys. Happy Friday, guys. Take care. Spend some time with your family. Have a good weekend. Grill out, whatever. The weather sucks here. Southeast coast for me, and I hope it turns around. So I do want to be outside. It's like 60s. It was 60s yesterday. But yeah, I'm just tired sitting. 6:47 today, guys. Break even day. I'm gonna end it here. Talk to you guys on Monday.